Hi, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to navigate through Excel to add your um, graded sizes and using formulas as well. So I'm using Magali's example. Her sample size is size large, so she's going to have to, one, decide what is her size scale. Is it extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, or maybe it starts at small is the smallest. Small, medium, large, XL, double XL. I don't know, that's a decision you guys need to make based off of your brand. And then once you do decide your size scale, you're going to do some research and figure out what all the different sizes should be for each little measuring point here. So maybe the body length, each size is 1 inch longer than another. Maybe it's only half an inch. Maybe the center back, your neck length, maybe that's only 1/8 of an inch different for each size. So you need to do the research and make those decisions. Once you have all that done, then you can go ahead and make your changes in Excel. So one, you're going to have to add multiple columns. So you can just do insert, a column here. Here we are. And then this can be size medium. And again, if this is her sample size, maybe you want to highlight it somehow. You might want to color it. Just maybe note it somewhere that it's the sample size as well, possibly. Okay. And then here I'll write size XL. And, you'll do it for all your sizes. I'm just demoing a couple here for you guys to get the idea. You'll also want to format this so that they're all the same font, the same size, all that good stuff. I think you guys can figure that out using the tools at the top, so I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, so let's say we decided we want our length to be 1 inch different. So size medium needs to be 1 inch less than size large. So all you have to do is put equals, click this box, and then say -1, and then hit return or enter. And it automatically did the measurement for you. For the larger size, you'll say equal, click the box, +1, return. And it did the math for you. So this way, if you conduct a fit and change it, maybe now your approved size large is actually only 22 inches. When you hit enter, it'll automatically change your grading scale. So this is your project to update your Excel sheet with your grade rules in it. And also another chunk of the project is actually figuring out what your grade rules are based on your customer. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions.